Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use mousse to make hair curly. First, ensure your hair is clean and damp. After washing, gently towel dry your hair to remove any excess water, leaving it moist but not dripping. Next, use a wide tooth comb to carefully detangle your hair, working from the ends up to the roots. This preparation is crucial for even mousse distribution and defined curls. Now, let's apply the mousse. Dispense a golf ball-sized amount of mousse into your palm. If your hair is very long or thick, you might need slightly more, perhaps 1.5 times that amount. Gently rub your hands together to spread the mousse, then work it through your damp hair from the roots to the ends. Ensure every strand is coated for consistent curl definition. With the mousse applied, it's time to define those curls. Gently scrunch your hair upwards towards your scalp, encouraging the natural curl pattern. You can also twist small sections around your finger for more defined spirals. Next, use a diffuser attachment on your hairdryer set to a low heat and speed. Dry your hair slowly, continuing to scrunch, and avoid touching it too much to prevent frizz. Once your hair is completely dry, gently separate your curls with your fingers for added volume and a more natural look. If you want extra hold, you can finish with a light mist of hairspray. Remember, less is often more to maintain that soft, bouncy feel. For other great deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check out the link in the description below. Enjoy your beautiful, bouncy curls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.